Hi everyone, I'm Kiera from the Bonsai Room, and today I'm here with you to show you a rain cloud experiment. So what you will need is a large clear tub and fill it majority halfway, a little bit over halfway with water. You'll need shaving cream, food dye of your choice. I've got here like a little toothpick skewer. You can use something a little bit more blunt if you like the end of a paintbrush. And you're also going to need 2 bits of A4 paper, or as many or as little as you like. So what I'm going to do first is get my shaving cream, give it a good shake, and we're going to cover the surface of the water in shaving cream. Now the aim is to try and have as little holes through the shaving cream as possible. Back on if you need to. I like to grab the skewer sometimes and just cover up some of those holes. Alright, now the fun part. I'm going to take my food dye, and you're about to find out why we call it a rain cloud experiment. So what do you think the shaving cream on top looks like? A cloud. And what about underneath? What comes out of a cloud? Rain, you're right. So now we're going to put the food dye in to see this happen. Can you see what's happening yet? I'm also going to add in some blue. And you'll see soon why I've chosen these colours together. You can see it's coming through there. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is take my little skewer and I'm going to mix the colours through. What's happening to the colours on the bottom? Give it a good mix. And the reason I'm doing this on top is because we're about to take our paper and we're going to make a nice painting. So you can make it individual and your own and unique by using this skewer and mixing it in whichever way you like, adding more colours, anything like that. Because as you move the colours around, you're making it your own. Mix, 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 alright. I think I'm happy with what I've created on the top. Let's see what we can do. So pop that on the other piece of paper. So I'm going to get my paper, place it on the top, and gently, only gently, push down until just on the top of the paper you can see the colour starting to come through. Nice and soft. Alright, I think I'm ready to see what I've created. And look at that. I've got my own shaving cream painting. So now if you would like to make another one, you can again take your skewer, mix it all up, add some more colours, things like that. In whichever way you like, and you can make another one. Thanks for watching.